Rustic Rose, seasonal home decor.
Hi friends, it's Rose and welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey listen, friends, I wanted to show you something that I picked up at the store and I thought how cute it would be to make, especially when the kiddos are off for vacation or holiday vacation, for them to do. A little craft for them to do. Anyhow, I wanted to show you real quick. I picked this up and it's this cute little gingerbread. There's 5 of them in there, and this little package has everything you need to make this cute little gingerbread. So I picked up 2 of them because there's 5 in a pack, so that way I could have 10 for the front and back, because I want to show you what I did with them. If you're ready, here we go. I made this cute little gingerbread garland, and I thought how cute they turned out. So let me give you a closer look of what I did. And again, friends, like I said, this little package comes with everything that you need. So what I did was I got the 2 packages so that I have 10 pieces front and back, and I glued them. And before I finished gluing them, I put a little bit of filler inside of them to make them a little stuffy, okay? Then I went ahead and added the little pieces that go with it, the eyes and the mouth. And of course, I did make this little heart though out of felt. I added that, and of course, the little red bow there. Once everything was dry, I went ahead and added a little bit of glitter on the white part there. And of course, I added, I put it on the little twine, added some little beads to it. And I thought, how cute is this? Anywho, even if you don't want to make a garland, friends, you can always make little ornaments. These could be little ornaments for the tree. Anywho, I thought how cute it would be if you're looking for something for your kiddos to do, keep them busy during the holiday week off. Again, I used hot glue, but if you have little ones that you don't want them to get burned, you can always use some Fabri-Tac glue. Now, this is really cool and good as well, and it holds pretty good. So anywho, I just thought I just had to come on here and share this with you, friends. So if you're out and about, don't forget to pick these up and pick up 2 packages so that way you have 10 pieces for front and back. Anywho, friends, Christmas is coming, whether we're ready or not, and I think these little gingies would be so cute for little ornaments or a cute little garland for your fireplace. Anywho, friends, I hope I've inspired you to go out there and pick these up and make something really cute for your home or for a gift. Anywho, it's been great seeing you guys again, friends. So until we see each other next time.
Rustic Rose, seasonal home decor. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Rustic